I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is something a little bit different. Hibiscus pickled onions. And this is from the Ottolenghi Flavour Cookbook. What is superb about this book is you have a flavour bomb section. So these are brilliant things to make in advance and you can use as a side or to boost flavours. Please look at the ingredients. 1 red onion, 2 hibiscus tea bags, palm sugar, aspals, raw organic apple cider vinegar. Really good dish, full of probiotics, and it actually has this sediment at the bottom here is actually the mother. Lime, whole clove of garlic, and then we're going to store this into these really airtight jars so we can keep this for a fairly long time. Let's crack on. And here we have it, the hibiscus pickled onions, a flavour bomb from the Ottolenghi Flavour Cookbook. Absolutely tremendous. If you can do this in advance, really good, but if you need it fresh, I would advise just to put it for 2 hours in the fridge and just let those flavours soak up. Combination of the acidity, apple cider vinegar and the hibiscus and the red onions combined, really quick and easy, but this is what I love most. It's the best way to add flavour to foods in advance. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please don't forget to subscribe, also turn on your notifications so you get my fortnightly recipes. Don't forget to look into a playlist with all the flavour bombs, condiments, pickles.